The Interior Minister expressed openness to legalizing migrant workers in the country, pointing out, however, that it would not involve 600,000 people indicated in the estimate, but rather those who are needed and with rules. Italian Interior Minister Luciana Lamorgese, in a hearing before the Lower House Constitutional Affairs Committee, said she is open to the proposal of legalizing migrant workers, but said the measure would not regard 600,000 people, a figure that had been cited in estimates. She said there is also the need to intercept signs of disintegration in the society fabric, in particular for the weakest categories, and to provide resources in a timely manner for recovery. In so doing, however, she emphasized the need to pay particular attention to the insertion of organized crime during the restart phase of economic activities. She also said it is not 600,000 but those needed with rules. The Minister for Farming, Teresa Bellanova, had been the one to put forward the proposal of legalizing irregular migrant workers and found support in her colleagues in the Interior Ministry. I spoke with Belova and we are working together, said Lamorgese. We will see when the time comes to make a concrete measure. Right now, there isn't anything. We haven't defined a certain line with other ministers, she said. Lamorgese said, however, that any eventual measure certainly would not involve 600,000 migrants as indicated in estimates, but rather those who are needed and with rules. Here is the problem of the harvest and uncovering those working under the table, including for safety reasons, Lamorgese said. The measure should regard farming and fishing, but we are evacuating the sectors to eventually consider. Home carers and domestic workers had also been mentioned. If we evacuate, there still isn't anything concrete, she said. Some reaction from labor unions, associations, and opposition. The Federation's Secretary of Labor Union CGIL, Giuseppe Massarafra, praised legalization, but said the idea to tie it only to the farming sector is wrong and optimistic, because it does not take into account the condition of blackmail and exploitation experienced by all foreign workers. The association ANCI said the proposal allows for a response to the objective difficulties tied to part of legalization already begun for those who concretely contribute to the development of the territory through their own work. The Association for Home Carers and Domestic Workers, ASINDA, estimate that there are 200,000 of these workers who do not have a stay permit, as is calling on including them in the legalization measure. The opposite, however, has expressed criticism. Maurizio Gaspari of the center-right Forza Italia party defined the proposal of an amnesty as wretched. On April 18, the government shared a first draft of the decree for the much talked about amnesty, or sanatoria in Italian, mind that it was not confirmed yet. According to the first draft, the government plans to regularize undocumented migrants who can prove that their employers is offering a valid fixed-term work contract in one of the following sectors: agricultural, livestock, fisheries, and aquaculture. This first draft also provides that the person may renew the expiring permission only with a valid work contract. Many associations, including the members of the Ero Straniero campaign, are advocating to extend the sanatoria to other workers categories. You can find